Welcome back, man, to Alphamantraining.com live videos. So we finished night game 2020 June 20, yeah. So it's already, a new day starting. As you see, it's not the night. So the training took 2.5 hours. We started on 2 a.m. morning and finished on 2.5. A client already pulled a girl. He is driving with her to his home, and we approached 5 clubs. One club at the beginning didn't work, so we couldn't enter. In that club are going Russian girls, and it is actually for us. Those girls are the most suitable for a client what he wants. Unfortunately, that club didn't work, was closed. So we went to two different clubs like that, and he danced with 2 different girls. And on 4th club, it was 3 girls with a guy. So he made friends with that guy and then approached target, pulled out, and left that guy with 2 other girls. And he went to his car, and now we're driving. I don't know if he will get laid or not, but results are amazing. We are very happy, and it's just amazing, just more than amazing. So that's the report. What happened? Same we will do with you. Once you will come to Alphamantraining, we will go to nightclubs, we'll approach. We will execute, we will have plan. We go, we check clubs, we check 1 club, we check 2, 2nd club, 3rd one, 4th, 5th one. And we have a goal. We have a plan, what we are doing, and that's why we are confident, we are sure what we are doing, and we are not wasting time. So was amazing night, and a client is really happy. So invest into book How to Become Alpha Man, invest into night game program How to Dance with Women, invest into pick up online training courses, because those girls, they are not in clubs most of the time, they are smoking outside the club. So it's same approaches that we train in pick up online training courses. And you approach them, you talk to them, you build attraction, connection. When the buying temperature is enough, you pull, and when you get a girl into your car, you drive to her place or to your place. So everything is possible, and do that. Don't stop, don't waste your time, and until next time, see you.